Have you ever noticed that when good things show up in your life, like money, opportunities, or even a smooth day, you start feeling uneasy, like it might disappear at any moment? Well, you are not alone. Our brains are actually wired to distrust ease, and this can quietly block us from fully receiving abundance. So, in this video, I'm going to explain why our minds resist abundance and how we can start staying fully present and comfortable when it shows up. Now, your brain evolved to protect you, so scanning constantly for danger and problems is normal. Even when life is going well, it doesn't simply relax, it stays in problem seeking mode. So, when abundance appears, your mind reacts automatically and it creates thoughts like, well, this won't last, or something's about to go wrong. Instead of letting yourself enjoy what's already here, your brain prepares you for the next problem, which makes abundance feel uncomfortable and makes it feel unfamiliar or even suspicious. This mental pattern has real consequences. You may hesitate to spend money, invest money, or even enjoy what you have, constantly second guessing opportunities or even overworking yourself. So sometimes you might even unconsciously create problems where none exist. In other words, abundance can show up, but your brain's automatic doubts stop you from feeling truly wealthy, capable, or free. It's not that abundance isn't coming, it's that your mind isn't letting you receive it fully. So the first step is to notice the pattern and recognize when your mind doubts ease or when it doubts abundance. So simply acknowledging it can be so powerful. So catch your brain when it's expecting a problem, and then just practice pausing before reacting to what you're thinking about. Also, allow yourself to enjoy your wins fully without rushing, overthinking, or expecting them to disappear. And affirmations can also help you retrain your brain. Phrases like, I allow abundance to flow effortlessly, or it's safe for me to receive. This signals your mind that ease and abundance are normal, that they are safe and they're enjoyable. So, small, consistent shifts like this actually teach your brain that abundance is not threatening. So abundance isn't just about attracting more. It's about learning to stay with it when it arrives. So the next time money, opportunity, or ease shows up in your life, pause, notice it, and allow yourself to fully receive it. Your brain can learn to trust abundance. And when it does, life feels lighter, freer, and more joyful. So the ability to receive fully is one of the most powerful steps in manifesting the life you desire. If this message resonated with you, please don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.